Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ricky Andriano Timali.
Hello, good morning. My name is Denada Alicia Sularino.
Hi, my name is Warda.
Today, we want to explain the material about airstream mechanism. In phonetics, the airstream mechanism is the method by which airflow is created in the vocal tract. Along with phonation and articulation, it is one of three main components of speech productions. The airstream mechanism is mandatory for sound production and constitutes the first part of this process, which is called initiation. Location of initiation, namely initiation of lungs, the first pulmonic aggressive and the second pulmonic ingressive. Next, initiation at glottis. The first glottalic aggressive and the second glottalis, glottal, glottalic ingressive. And the last initiation at velum. The first phalaric aggressive and the second phalaric ingressive. Okay, let's talk about pulmonic initiation. Initiation by means of the lungs, actually the diaphragm and ribs. Is called pulmonic initiation. The airstream which originates in the lungs is called a pulmonic airstream. And since the air flows outward, it is said to be aggressive. However, the air can also flow inward, in which case we talk of an ingressive airstream. The majority of human sound are produced by an aggressive pulmonic airstream. This movement describes an outgoing airstream produced by the lungs and is regarded as the only airstream mechanism that uses lung air. All English sound, both consonants and vowels, are produced by an aggressive pulmonic airstream mechanism because we speak while we expel air from our lungs. This type of airstream mechanism is also common in other Europe languages. Next, pulmonic ingressive. There is another variety of pulmonic airstream mechanism. Inhaled air can also be modified to produce speech sound. This actually occurs in a few rare and special cases, such as in Zhou, an Aboriginal language of Taiwan, which has inhaled. Such sounds are called pulmonic ingressive sound, and the airstream mechanism for making such sound is called the ingressive pulmonic airstream mechanism.
Glottalic initiation. It is possible to initiate airflow in the upper vocal tract by means of the vocal cords or glottis. This is known as glottalic initiation. There are two types of initiation in glottis. Number one ejectivies and number two implosivies. One bag of tongue comes up to form velar closure. Closure of the glottis. These two movements occur approximately simultaneously. And number two, closed glottis is raised, and body of air appearance is compressed. 4. Bag of tongue is lower, releasing compressed appearance air. And number 5, the last number, glottal closure is a release in the closed glottis. Glottis is lowered to create small vacuum the mouth. In implosive consonant is product. The lowering glottis acts like the downward movement of Python to create a brief refrigeration of the air in the vocal tract when the structure in the mouth is released air. Swahili has three implosifiers B, D, and G. Implosifiers occur mostly in language of East Africa in several America Indian language and in some language of northern India.
Lingual velaric imitation. There are three points. The third form of imitation in human language is a lingual or a velaric imitation, where a sound is produced by a closure at two places of articulation, and the airstream is formed by movement of the body of a tongue. Point 2, there is a regular oral articulation while the back of a tongue or seal of air from the lungs and creates a relative vacuum. Point 3, English uses a few of them for a quasi-linguistic sound gestures. Grandmother's kiss, encouraging a horse, uh, velaric ingressive. Velaric ingressive sounds are called clicks. Many English speakers have some click used paralinguistically. For example, the kissing sounds that many people make at a baby's is a bilabial click. The sounds that some people used to call the horses is an alveolar click. The only languages that use clicks as a regular speech sounds are found in South Africa. Palatal apico or lamino English, many languages. Velar or dorsovelar, German, Greek or V, uvular French, also found in many German dialects. Glottal stop, the vocal cords are two articulators, is a glottalic fricative sound. That's the explanation from my group. I hope it's useful and thank you. Bye bye.